Craig, thanks again. Have a good day. We'll see you again soon.
Thank you.
Now, as reported yesterday, the smartphone wars are heating up. On Tuesday, Google unveiled a lineup of new Pixel smartphones with deeper integrations of its artificial intelligence technology as it races to incorporate AI into its hardware. And later in the autumn, Apple is set to unveil its new iPhone with AI integration. And this AI smartphone arms race is benefiting one company in particular, the Taiwanese manufacturer Foxconn. It's the world's biggest maker of iPhones and more recently has been building AI servers for tech giants including Amazon, Google and Microsoft. Later today, it will announce its second quarter earnings, which are expected to show a healthy increase in profits. Well, Paul Armstrong is founder of the investment management firm TBD Group. Hello to you. So,
Hi.
How good will the numbers be when Foxconn does release them?
Yeah, it should be good earnings. We're expecting revenue of about 1.5 trillion Hong Kong dollars. That equates to about 191 billion US dollars. That's a record high for the company. Profit will be around about 34 billion new Taiwan dollars, which again is about $1 billion US dollars in profit. And that equates to about a 2 to 3 year-over-year increase. Shares rose massively this year. This quarter alone, it's been 43%. So we're pretty confident predicting good double-digit gains.
And is that mainly because it makes the Apple iPhone 16?
It's definitely a big thing to do. It's not the only thing. They are pushing in a lot of different industries. The EV market's one. They've just gone into EV chargers for one. That's been a rocky ride for them, but they're sort of curtailing it out. But the focus is on Apple for this particular announcement. They've just hired 50,000 new workers in the Zhengzhou region. So that gives analysts a very good indication that they're expecting big numbers as well.
And this company is a big employer. It's recently hired another 50,000 workers. It's having to work harder to keep those workers, isn't it?
Yeah, Foxconn's not without intrigue and scandal and that sort of thing. They've always got things going on. They're a massive, massive employer. Company continues to gain momentum, really. They're saying more gradually, so that's a sort of sign for analysts to sort of look out for. But as you mentioned before, the iPhones and Apple relationship is really core to them.
You mentioned that Foxconn is moving into the electric vehicles market, which is quite interesting. But what do you think about the tensions currently between both China and the US and China and Europe when it comes to this market? Is this an opportunistic move that may prove tricky for it going forward?
Definitely. It's always been a choppy ride and, different economic factors are always impacting the EV market. This is definitely a period where a lot of analysts are leaning in and looking at data very, very carefully.
Okay, Paul Armstrong from TBD Group, thank you. We'll look out for the Foxconn numbers when we do finally get them.